Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just going to put a quick video together. Just going to have a go attempting to fix the flashing mileage on this 2015 Peugeot Boxer. This is quite a common fault to these vehicles. This is the Peugeot Boxer, but it's the same on the Citroen Relay and the Fiat Ducato as well. Really common issues. You'll see quite a few of these having this fault in there. The reason the faults occurred on this one is basically this one actually had an airbag fault on it. Really common issue again. We've had the airbag ECU off, sent it away for repair, refitted it, and ever since it's been refitted, the mileage is flashing on there. But the fault can occur for various different reasons. Sometimes just disconnecting the battery and having the battery reconnected can do it as well. So just going to run you through how we normally fix that, attempt to do it, and hopefully it'll work as it usually does and get it sorted today. So we're using the top-down diagnostic machine to have a go at it and see if we can do it. Various other diagnostic machines will fix it as well. But yeah, obviously just the ignition on, you can see the mileage is flashing there, and again while it's running it does exactly the same. So I'll just mount the snap-on diagnostic up now and just let's show you how we do it. So basically on the snap-on machine, once we've got plugged into it and just ran through all the year and the engine code and everything, we're just going to scroll down, and on the snap-on machine it does actually, sometimes you have to do this through the body control module, but on the snap-on machine we have actually got in body controls a proxy alignment there. So if we just run through that now, you can see it needs to configure the airbag there, been configured correctly. If we just turn the ignition off now, so it's quite really nice and straightforward on the snap-on. Not all diagnostic machines have it as a separate module to carry out the alignment. Procedure complete, so let's just have a look now. See, it's stopped there, but if we just turn it off, back on again, we'll just start it as well now. See, that's fixed the issue. So really straightforward procedure on there. If you're wondering why you've got the flashing mileage after doing the airbag ECU, if you've got a snap-on diagnostic machine or any decent diagnostic machine, you should be able to do it. But basically all you need to do is just run through the proxy alignment procedure, and it just realigns the communication between the engine ECU and the body control module, that's all. So yeah, I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.